What's up everybody, Michael Parsons here. This is just a short unboxing video to start the year off. Up until now I've been using the Fuji FinePix HS30 EXR. But over the holidays I managed to pick up a second-hand Sony a5000 mirrorless camera. And it had the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens and also the 55 to 210 millimeter lens as well. Even though the camera and lens were second hand, they both came in near new condition, still all in their original packaging. So I thought, why not start the year off with an unboxing video. I realised that the a5000 camera has been out for quite some time now, so anyone that's interested in cameras and unboxing tech videos, there's probably nothing new to you, but I thought it would be a great way to start the year off. So let's get stuck into the unboxing. We'll start with the camera itself. Now, unfortunately, because it was second hand, I didn't get to cut anything open, but still has all of the instruction booklets. I have the neck strap, the Australian power cord, and USB cable, and two power cords for overseas. Not exactly sure what countries those are for, but maybe if I go overseas I'll find out. We also have the charging brick for it. And we have the camera itself. Now, the little lugs for attaching the camera strap to, I have already removed, because with everything I've seen on YouTube, it tends to play havoc with the audio when doing video, so I removed those right from the start. And the other box, more instruction booklets. I must admit, I've had a bit of a play around with the camera already, and don't use the kit lens much, but I might end up using that more for video. But I do really like the feel of the camera and the ease of swapping the lenses over. This is the first time I've had a camera where you can get interchangeable lenses. The Fuji one just had the standard built-in lens, which, while it was alright for a while, it did get to the point where I wasn't getting the quality that I would have liked. So hopefully this improves things. Only time will tell, but I'm sure I'll have some videos up over the next few days, and we'll see if the quality improves. At the moment I'm still using the Fujifilm camera for, at the moment, just using it for the overhead, for this unboxing, but after that I'll be swapping that out and just using the Sony. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and I'll look forward to the next one in the next few days. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, click on the subscribe button, and please leave a comment with any feedback you'd like to share in the comment section below. Thanks a lot. See yous.